Greetings, I'm Lee, and I'm delighted to have you here at Sheet Leveler. We have a great selection of video tutorials that will make using Excel a breeze. Let's get started. Excel is well known for its wide range of calculations, from simple to complex. The same principle applies when rounding numbers. We can choose to round numbers up, down, or to their nearest whole number, according to the standard mathematical convention. This tutorial will provide you with multiple ways to round numbers. For more information on the other functions, check out the tutorial links in the description below. The round function in Excel allows you to quickly round values to a specified number of decimal places. It follows the general mathematical rule of rounding, which states that if the next decimal place is 4 or less, the value is rounded down, while if it is 5 or more, the value is rounded up. Let's take a closer look at how to make the best use of this function. Let's round the values in column B to various numbers of decimal places, or make them whole numbers. Click on cell C3, then type in the equal sign followed by the round function. Next, begin with an opening bracket and include two items. Select cell B3, which contains the number we wish to round. Enter a comma and type in the second value, specifying the number of decimal places desired in the result. To round to one decimal place, type 1. Close the parentheses, then press Enter. In C3, Excel will display the rounded result of B3 to one decimal place, according to the standard mathematical rule for rounding. The result is 121.8, as we can see. The number was rounded up because the deciding digit was a 5, which fits within the range of 5 to 9. Had it been a 3, the value would have been rounded down to 121.7. as 3 falls within the range of 0 to 4. To round a number to 2 decimal places, just use 2 in the function. The number will then be rounded accordingly. You can round any number to the desired number of decimal places by using positive numbers such as 1, 2, 3, and so on. Let's proceed. To round a value up to the nearest whole number, enter a 0 in the function. Excel will then round up the original value to the nearest whole number. Like so. We're not done yet. To round up a number to the nearest tens or hundreds, you can use negative numbers in the formula to move left from the decimal point. Ensure that the minus sign is included when entering the number in parentheses. Let's look at a few examples. To round a number to the nearest 10, enter -1 into the formula. This will give you 120 since the deciding number here is 1, which is between 0 and 4. To round the number to the nearest 100, simply enter -2 in Excel, and the calculation will be performed right away. And that's the gist of rounding in Excel. If you'd like to learn how to use other functions like round or round down, watch the rest of the video tutorials on rounding numbers by Sheet Leveler. If you found this tutorial helpful, give the video a like and hit that subscribe button to join our online community to learn to excel like a boss. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.